Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. And today we are looking at the analysis on the cryptocurrency pair Ethereum USD. And first, we'll be talking about fundamental analysis before we move right down to technicals, which is purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. We're having a look at ETH USD, and recently we're seeing fundamentals following the cryptocurrency that says that ETH ready for battle, as founders have fraud proof coming in 4 to 5 days. Now, Steven Nerayov, one of the earliest advisors for Ethereum, has had various debates and discussions concerning Ethereum in the past few weeks. And the former lawyer for the crypto firm has never wavered from his position that Vitalik Buterin and Joseph Lubin, the co-founders of Ethereum, engaged in fraudulent activity during the early days of the network, and that the SEC was corrupt in its dealings with Ethereum while speaking in a space hosted on social media platform. Nerayov has revealed that he has recorded proof that could heavily implicate Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Now, Nerayov has always asserted that the extent of fraud in the Ethereum ecosystem early days surpasses the scale of the FTX scandal, which led to the exchange's bankruptcy. And this saga has continued its high-stakes battle over its transparency and decentralization of one of the crypto's largest ecosystems. Now, Nerayov has been initially linked talking with other speakers on the podcast about the SEC's plan to ultimately decide who and what becomes a security in the crypto industry before switching topics to the ETH gate scandal, according to Nerayov. Now, Ethereum has run into troubles, and this, of course, could mean a significant downside following the latest economic news events surrounding it. And we are looking at a breakout of an important support zone at 2024.84, and then could be heading down to 1905.10, which from this point, a wholesome 1,106 plus pips from that point, of course, which is good money. So I think with this, we should get the sellers ready and ready to make some money from this free fall, which should be expected from Ethereum soon. And that's our technical analysis on today's cryptocurrency. Now let's move over to the stock market. Hello, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock market, we're having a look at Spotify. And Spotify is set to implement significant changes to its royalty model in first quarter, with the most controversial change being the introduction of a new minimum annual threshold of 1,000 streams before any track will generate royalties on the platform. Now, Spotify rationale behind this change is to address the issue of low-earning tracks, which are aiming to demonetize songs that earn less than 5 cents per month on average, while Music Business Worldwide reported are currently achieving 5 cents in recorded music royalties on Spotify. In the US typically requires around 200 plays. Now, Spotify believes that implementing the 1,000 play threshold will redirect tens of millions of dollars annually from the 0.5% of tracks that fall into this low-earning category to the other 99.5% of tracks that perform better. Now, this targets those royalty payouts whose value is being destroyed by being turned into fractional payments, while pennies or nickels or close to conversions between Spotify and music rights holders are often more than micropayments, which are even reaching human beings. Now, what to expect following these important fundamentals on Spotify? We are expecting a decline as to the low-earning tracks with new 1,000 stream minimum. So this should have some effect on Spotify. And recently, this is the 1 hour chart. We have been seeing a series of range movements and having our highest resistance at 166.06 and support at 16150.15. So we are expecting a free fall and a breakout of this support zone to a new zone at 139.82. Of course, from that point, it's good money, about 88 pips. And that's our technical analysis on today's CFD Spotify. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.